Quantity. Quantity.
Chole bhature, as I said.
Yes.
Chicken momos. Chicken momos.
Like Majnu ka Dilla.
And we of course broke up. It's an ex.
My name is Gitanjali.
Anurag.
Bhavona.
Devangi.
Sambhav.
Shruti Arora. Soumya.
Sonam. Tenzin.
Darshayata.
Shekhawat.
So are you from Delhi or outside Delhi?
No, outside Delhi. I'm from the northeast.
Delhi sir. I'm from Gurgaon.
Assam.
From Delhi. From Delhi.
From Assam.
From Bangalore.
From Delhi.
Delhi.
Haryana. So what is your go-to place when it comes to food in Delhi? Usually I don't go to the same place twice because my aim here is to explore. But there's one place that we go to from college, that is Shakun in North Campus.
मनोहर बीकानेरी इन विजयनगर
मेयर वेयर फेस 2 के मेट्रो स्टेशन से थोड़ा सा आगे मतलब पूरे स्टॉल्स लगते हैं स्ट्रीट फूड के.
Well, there is a place in Connaught Place. It's the oldest coffee house there.
My go-to place is Effin Gut in Saket.
The MKT, and there's a place called Sumo Restaurant over there, CP. And there is a market, a Shankarlal market at Harbour Food.
Yellow Bowl. It's in Shahadra.
Majnu ka Dilla, Dolma Cafe.
Probably Coco Restaurant in MKT.
Labib's. CB is the best. CB 24/7 हो गया. और मे भी शायद बर्गर किंग भी है.
So what specifically do you like about that cafe? Food, music, ambience?
Food also is great, plus ambience, and it's on rooftop, so it's really good.
It's the food and the ambience overall.
It has freshly brewed beers there, and I like the chicken pepperoni pizza and the jalapeno cheese poppers there.
The food is very cheap and it's tasty, and plus there's karaoke, so that's a plus point.
Quantity. Quantity. Because a lot of places in Delhi serve itna sa food for itna huge amount of money. So yeah, I like that I can at least have my tummy full after one visit to that place.
I like the rasmalai and pyaz kachori.
Any day or time do you suggest?
Yes. Wednesday after 8:30 p.m. they have free drinks for the ladies.
I think they should go over the weekend because it's more like the culture is great over there, and Wednesdays are great because I think at MKT in Wednesday they have this Tibetan dance sort of function going on in the middle of that place.
डे तो नहीं बट शाम के 4 बजे के बाद से आपको वहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, तो आपको उस टाइम जाना चाहिए वहाँ.
Preferably for lunch or dinner. In the weekends it's a bit packed, so preferably in the weekdays if you can. But
They should go during nighttime, evening, because it's in rooftop, so after it's sunny, right? So evening you can see good view there.
Do you have any memory from that place?
Not any memory, but I don't know. My ex told my ex introduced that place to me, and we of course broke up. It's an ex.
I used to come here when Rahagiri used to happen, and in the early morning you can go and have chole bhature since it's a breakfast thing for Punjabis like me.
मेरी एक्स के साथ मैं हमेशा वहीं खाने जाता था.
What a nice memory.
I mean, I love kurkure spring rolls from that place very much, and whenever I go there I just eat those. So yeah, that would be a great memory.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So here we are with an amazing list of go-to places when it comes to food in Delhi. And now it is your turn to drop in your places in the comment section below. You were with me, Devanshi Sethi, and Sarang Sunil behind the camera. Oh wait, I forgot to remind you to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you soon.